Hi everyone! So today I wanted to share with you a few of the really cool things that I picked up recently at Miniso. So Miniso is a Japanese or Chinese variety store that has a few locations in Toronto. So I'm excited to share some of these items with you because they're all relatively affordable, around the $4 to $8 mark, and I'm really pleased with the quality of all of these items. So I'm going to jump in with some of the more unexpected things, including toothbrushes. So my dental hygienist recommended that I use child toothbrushes because I have sensitive gums and pretty small teeth, I guess. So these brushes are perfect for my delicate mouth. And I just thought this pack of 3 was really great. I think it was $3.99. I just threw away the package. $3.95. So really affordable and just very sweet. So to go along with the toothbrushes, I got this pack of 4 ceramic toothbrush holders. It came with 4 shades, and then on the side here it shows all of the other ones available. I gave 2 to my sister. This is more expensive. It was $7 for 4 of them. And you pretty much put it on your counter and the toothbrush stands up just like this. How sweet is that? And then the water kind of will drip from the top of the brush and it'll dry nice and evenly. So I thought that was a great find. They sell these at Muji, and I have a feeling they are more expensive at Muji. Sorry, I have cat hair on my face. I was snuggling with my grandma's cat. Anyways, so really nice find, and for like under $2 each. It was a good deal there. Another fun thing I picked up were these cuticle nippers, and these were $3.99. These are my backup cuticle clippers, and I'd probably bring these, on vacation or leave these at my boyfriend's place. I'm pretty impressed with the quality. They have a nice handle to them, really good spring in the center, and they're quite sharp, so that's a good price. These are the things that I would want to buy at the drugstore, but Shoppers Drug Mart and Rexall have just become exorbitantly more expensive than they were in the past. So something that's $4 at Miniso is like $10.95 at Shoppers. So those were a really fun buy. I was also attracted to their nail polish, mainly because they had really pretty neutral shades. So this one is the color Pale Dogwood. It's just a really nice kind of grayish beige color. And actually no, this is pink. It's like a cool toned gray pink. So I love this, and they also have some nice vibrant shades. So check out the blog post below for some comparison swatches. Oh, this one was $3 as well, so nice price on that. Guys, so random, but I bought these forks. They were actually expensive. They were $3 each, and I wanted to get them because they're stainless steel, and this one is really good for getting pickles out of the bottom of a pickle jar. I bought a pickle fork, so sue me. Also, I don't know why I love this one so much, but like for a little cheese board or olives, it seemed to be relatively sharp, and they were just very cute and dainty, so forks. Next, this I am so excited about, you guys. This is a revolutionary beauty product, in my opinion. It is a 3-in-1. It is an eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, and eyebrow brush. I've never seen something with all 3 of those products inside. I've only seen like a brow pencil and then like a brow setting gel at the end from Pixie, which I also loved. This is awesome because the eyebrow pencil is very, very good quality. It is the perfect kind of gray brown shade that just, I should say taupey brown, that just blends in with my hair tone wonderfully. It would also work good on brown hair. So that's on one side, a nice kind of waxy pencil. Then in the center, you pull it apart. Oh no, sorry, you twist. And there's a little spoolie, so cute. And then if you were in a pinch, you could literally just take this for brows. And on this side, you have the liquid liner. This is not the best liquid liner I've ever tried, but it is pretty good. It just gets a little crumbly the more you go over it, so it's not the best to work with. But honestly, in general, I'm quite happy. And yeah, the tip is really precise. This was, hold on, hold the phone. This was $3.99. You can't find stuff this cheap that actually works. So I was very, very happy with that. Pleasantly surprised. So a few more items here. I purchased the Refreshing Sakura Roll-On Deodorant. I'm all about roll-on deodorants. I find that they are gentle on my sensitive skin. This one was $2.99 and it came sealed. When I unsealed it, it was kind of wet on the inside, so I think this will leak a bit. This smells pretty strong. It does kind of smell like perfume. It smells very good, like a shampoo that I've used actually. So definitely fragrance. They had 3 fragrances, like a minty one, this one, and then a yellow toned like zingy fragrance. I'm excited to try it, and this little panda definitely looks like me in the morning. So very nice, glass bottle, and for $3 worth a shot. Last but not least of the items I have on hand are these nipple covers. I've been wearing tank tops a lot. I was in Vegas and I could not be bothered to wear a proper bra. I'm not large chested, so this was a good solution. But the like pasty stickers I had were just not comfortable and they were flat. So then when you put them on a rounded surface, they got all like kind of puckery at the sides. Real problems here, ladies. These are good. So I haven't actually worn them yet, but I'm quite hopeful. I feel like these ones won't be as reusable. They're so soft. So these are the silicone ones. Each of these packages were $6, so not cheap, but for 2 packs in each, it's all good. So these ones just kind of peel off. They are completely sticky throughout. I would probably try to reuse them. I would just rinse the back with some warm water and soap and let them dry afterwards, and then restick this piece of plastic. But these ones are good for more of a natural feel and appearance. Then I got these ones, which I'd probably buy more of, and these are fabric. They're honestly like the front part of a bra. They have no sticker on the center, or no glue I should say, and these feel just like my new bra. This adhesive will definitely be reusable at least for a few times, and it's more economical or environmentally friendly as well than the one-time use stickers. So excited to try these. They are quite large too. These ones are bigger than these, but I think they would fit most ladies, and I'm super stoked to see how they work. These ones are a little bit lighter too than the full silicone. But I feel like these are both promising. So really fun products and stuff that you cannot find at most drugstores. Oh, the last thing that I don't have to show you are the men's socks. They had really cute ankle socks in cute colors and really nice cotton blend fabrics. Again, for like $5 for I think 2 pairs, 2 or 3 pairs. So really fun store. None of these things can be returned, so they're like no refund policy, but I'm really happy. Nothing is disappointing aside from the fact that this was leaking. I'm thrilled. So let me know if you've ever shopped at Miniso. I'm definitely going to be back, and I hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments or questions below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!